Hello friends, welcome back to Tiny Rooms Therapy. Today I'll show you how to make this very elegant French herringbone parquet flooring for a room box, diorama or dollhouse. I'm cutting the parquet panels from real wood, either beautiful and soft colored European beech or moody and dark Wenge wood veneer. The kit includes two kinds of tiles. They are chevron style cut in opposite directions. Before the floor laying can start, we have to mark the space for the straight bordering panels. Next, I'll mark the width of the panels. This is just an approximation, I'll show you later. I'm using transparent double-sided adhesive tape to attach the fine wood veneer panels. Please do not use glue, its moisture would just make your panels buckle and warp uncontrollably. If you're underground, the base you are gluing the panels onto has a very different color than your parquet wood, painted first with a coat of acrylics in a matching color. This is just so it will not be visible if you happen to have tiny gaps between your tiles. For the same reason, your adhesive tape should be transparent. Stick the tape along the rows. I used just 2 thin strips for each panel row. Then remove the cover foil from the strips in the first row. The very fine laser-cut edge marks are only visible on one side of the panels. You can choose which side you want to be on the upside. Stick the panels for the first row along the bordering line. As it is nearly impossible to stick them 100% accurate, we will cut the ends off to create a clean baseline for the next row. Use a steel ruler and a sharp craft knife to cut the irregular tips in a straight line. Cut slowly through the wood veneer, remove the tiny bits, and you are ready for the next row. For the elegant chevron pattern, stick the mirror inversed version A or B of your full-sized panels along the cut line. To clean up the tips of this row, you should measure from the left edge of your baseboard where you'd need to cut. Then again make a clear cut with your sharp knife and steel ruler. Now do the same with the rest of the rows. When you are done with the full-sized panels, fill in the partial panels on the upper and lower edge of your board. Add more adhesive tape if needed. When this is finished, cut the rest of the panels off, namely along your marked borderline. Then you can stick your straight bordering panels along the edges, cut to size, and you're done. To make the panels stick even better, you can weight them down with heavy books overnight. The natural wood has a soft glint. If you want it even shinier, you can use several light coats of hairspray or clear varnish spray. You can also use wood wax, but be careful, apply it very lightly. This chevron parquet flooring style is so beautiful it transforms the room box or dollhouse in a luxurious apartment. Most of the elegant Haussmann-style apartments in Paris are outfitted with this kind of flooring. Speaking of classical Haussmann style, the white Paris apartment back wall shelf insert is available in my Etsy shop, also in your custom format. The parquet panels are available in 3 different sizes. That's it for today. If you have questions about dollhouse flooring, just let me know in the comments below. Please also leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for your support and thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye!